Hello everyone. Yeah, today we are doing exercise number 17, figure 1790. So END Bhatt engineering drawing. So let's go now to open our Solidwork software. It is now loading. Let's come back to exercise number 1790. We are drawing this. So today we are going to focus on the top view. Top view, this is it, and this is a front view. So today we will take our reference to the top view. If you can see here, we have all the dimensions we are going to follow. Here we have 25, 25, 12, and 50. So let's see if our software is already. Yes, it is already there. Let's start now. But we choose our plane. Plane now. We come to the top plane, we click on it, and now we come to the sketch. Is already activated. We choose a center rectangle, or we can choose a corner rectangle. Anyone is okay. Let's choose a corner rectangle, and then we drag it and then put it here, and then we come back to our dimension, to our exercise number 1790. If you see here, we have this rectangle we already have, and then we have this other small rectangle inside. So let's come to put a dimension on this. If you can check the dimension, total dimension of this horizontal line is 75, and this one is 50. So let's come back and then put the dimension on it. Smart dimension. Here we say we have 50. Put 50, and then you come here to 75. 75. Boom. It's okay now. So let's come to add that other small rectangle, which is here. You click on that line and then you extend it like this. That's it. Okay. You come remove. You use a trimmer. Remove this line and this line also. You remain with the things like this. So let's come to our figure. We have it. It is here. This is it. Here they are saying this internal line is 25. Means that you have to put this dimension in the middle. So here we have 25, 25, and the remaining one it will be 25, because 25 plus 25 is 50. So in 75, in order to know the dimension from here to here, you have to take 75 minus 50. Here it is 25. So let's go now. Put a dimension here. We have to put 25. It's okay. And now here also you can put dimension, which is 25. Now it's okay. Now the dimension of this one will be 25. You see, because all the dimension is given, so there's no need of putting dimension to this. That's why it is giving this warning, so no need of it. Let's make cancel, and then you put a dimension here. This dimension is 12. Now it is done. If you can check here, our design now is a full defined. So if it is full defined, now it's okay. We can exit our sketch, or directly we can come here to features and then we extrude, and then we know the distance we're gonna, the dimension, or how long we are going to extrude our things. So we come back to our design. We come to check here. Now we are not checking on the top view, we check on the front plane. So we will extrude our design to 12 millimeter. So we will come here, and then here we put 12. Now it is okay. It is done now. Now we already done with the base one, the base. So we are going to add the upper side. So this is the moment we will be checking on the front view. So we come to the front view, we check how is it going to be. So we already done with this base, this downside, we already done. So now it's a time to make this upper side, and then when you are drawing this upper side, you make it where you are checking also on the top view. If you can check where it is start from the back side, this one is start from the back side, which is this one. From this point to this point is this point to this. which will be equal to 20 plus this distance. So that's the things we are going to draw. 75, the total length of this line is 75. So we will skip 20 distance and then we draw this line. So let's come and then we see. So now it's a time to choose a plane to draw on, to use. So let's just come on our design, which is this one. Here you see we have a front side, and then in order to reach to the back side, you can use your mouse, drag, and then try to move your mouse. You can get this back side. So click on this line. It will be easy for you, and then activate sketch. After activating sketch, you can see now you have this edge, this point. Control 1, you can get a different dimension, but Control 8, it gives you exactly the side you want. If you remember here, this is a point we took as a center, right? This is our center, and we want to put it on this side. So let's click here. This is where we are going to start drawing our line. We draw a line like this, and then we put it here. Now it is okay. If you can see, we're already done with that line. The line you have drawn, it is on that backside plane, which is facing the front plane. So the next line will be this line, and another line which will move and then consider with this one, horizontal line. Move it and then come to this point. Now we are done. So let's come back, Ctrl 7. You get it. So let's put dimension. As we see here in our sketch, here we have 25. The height from this point to this is 25. You come here, smart dimension, put 25. Okay, boom. Now we are coming to this point also. This baseline, how long it is. We saw that if you remember, we have the point from here to here, which is equal to this point from here to here, which will be 20. So let's put a dimension here from here to here. This will be 20. Done. Now we are going to put a dimension on this upper side. If you check where, we are going to put dimension here. The dimension we put here, we come here and then check which dimension to put here. If you check from this point to this point, it is equal to this point to this point, which will be equal to 20. This one will be equal to 20. Now our sketch is fully defined. The line which is in green, it is this one. So done. Now what we are going to do, dimension is done. Now we are going to exit sketch, and then we see this is it. Wow, it's good. And then we come back to our sketch, and then see how long are we going to extrude. So we have to know the dimension to put for extruding this line. So to extrude these things, it will be equal to this. The moment we come back on the top plane, and then we see this is it. This is the length, the dimension we use for extrusion. So we come back here, come to extrude base. You see, it is moving to that side. So in order to bring it here, you can click on this line. It come back, and then we extrude to by here 25. Put 25. Okay, now it is okay. And then you merge the results. If you didn't merge the result, it will give some line. Then show. You see now here it shows that these things are separate. So in order to do it, to keep it together, you come here, you click on this, and then you edit features. Editing features, you add this. Boom. Now it's okay. All the things is done. Exercise number 1790, it is done. So thank you for watching today, and if you can check the view, all the things is there. This is it. Now we are done with our exercise number 1790. 90. Thank you for watching.